Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the display language on Microsoft Surface Pro 9. And to do this, we'll need to click on our Start right here, then go to your settings. Now let's make it full screen and we can change to time and language settings. The icon for it looks like this. Then select the second option, which is language and the region. And right here, you can see all of the language packages that are installed. You can click on Add Language right here to add the different ones. Now, in case you want to change them, then click on this pop-up right here and change Windows display language to whichever language you like. Now, you should be able to restart your tablet and then the language should apply. But in case it's still in the default different language or whatever, then go for administrative language settings and then select the format, and here in the format change it to the language that you've picked to default language for this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.